Welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I want to thank Nadula for sponsoring this video and sending over this V-Part wig, y'all. They upgraded their V-Part wigs. They got a whole new system at the top. They got a drawstring in the back. It's giving seamless. It's flat, baby. Look at this. It is so gorgeous. I even show you guys 2 more hairstyles you can do with this wig. It is very, very versatile, you guys. The wig is so snug and secure on my head. As you can see, it is not moving. It is not going anywhere, okay? I got this beautiful balayage ombre color. It's like black at the roots and then goes into a 30, I believe, something like that, like a chocolatey light or brown. It is Yaki straight, 24 inches, and it's beautiful. I absolutely love it. If you guys want to see me install this and see the other hairstyles that I do with this wig, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave that right here so you guys can follow me over there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into this wig install because it was so quick and easy. And look how natural it looks, y'all. Isn't it so pretty? I love it. All right, so we're working with Nadula. Isn't this bag so cute? I love when they send these little bags. These bags are perfect for like traveling and like reusing. A1. All right, and then it comes in your silk bag. Then we have the box. So with your wig, you're gonna get 2 packs of wig caps, melting band, another little goodie bag that has more wig caps, another melting band, and some press-ons. Then your wig will come packaged like so. This is a Brazilian hair. This is actually Yaki straight, and we have ombre on this one. All right, you guys, so here is the wig. Look at this beautiful ombre. We've got the dark roots, some highlights right in the front, and then highlights also at the bottom. It looks so beautiful. It feels really, really nice. Again, it is a Yaki straight. This is their upgraded V-Part wig. So on the V-Part, the wefts are actually folded in. So there's no wefts right here. So this is gonna give you a nice natural blend with your natural hair, which I'm very excited about. Inside, we've got some combs. 1, 2, 3, 4, one in the middle here. These combs right here, well, I guess these are clips is what I meant to say. 4 clips right here, 1 in the center. Then we have 2 combs left and right, adjustable strap, and another comb at the bottom. And then in the back, you do have your adjustable drawstring, which all you do is squeeze and pull to adjust, which is really, really nice. It's gonna give you a nice, a snug fit, which is amazing. I love this new upgraded idea because I've never seen this on a wig before, only a ponytail, okay? And once I put the wig on, I will show you how I adjust it on my head. But we've got a nice breathable wig cap, which I love. I'm very excited about this. This hair feels so good. The ends feel good, look good. Wig has a whole bunch of body. Look at all this body. Love this. So I really like how the wefts are on the inside and then the hair just folds over and has this beautiful seamless V-part. I freaking love that. And then this strap right here, you'll just cut these off right here at the roots. And yes, you'll be all ready to put this in. Let's go ahead and install this real quick. So I do already have my hair already braided down. I already have my V-part situation going on. And then I left out just a little bit on my edges. I don't know, maybe I could have left out a little bit more, but I didn't want to have too much of my own hair to deal with. My hair is already prepped and ready for this install. Unclip these on both sides. All right, you guys, so I went ahead and wrapped my hair up for a little bit, and I did run the straightener through the hair. And now I'm just about to take this wrap off, and I'm gonna put some layers in the front because I could just already tell I want to do some layers, but the hair just looks really good already. Actually, real quick, let me show you guys what the back looks like. So yeah, let's just take this wrap off. I only had it on for like 15 or 20 minutes, but I just wanted to lay this flat as possible. My little swoop dee doops in here. Real quick, I'm gonna frame my face up a little bit just because I feel like it just makes it look a lot more natural. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. And I only cut off that much. Alrighty. Alright, so okay, so here is one hairstyle. I'm gonna show you guys another one, but this is the first one. It's real cute, everyday style. You can even put your hair behind your ear if you like. Really, really cute and casual. Just a cute casual look. But let's go into the next look for you guys real quick. Here is the second hairstyle. I don't know why I've been into these like ponytails, but they're cute. And then I threw a couple little bangs in front. It turned out really, really cute. My hair is blending actually really well with the V-Part wig, so I like that. I did dye my hair like a month ago. It's like a lighter brown, like a 4 kind of, something like that. Nothing too steep, but it's almost as light as the ends, almost as light, but it's just like a little chocolatey brown. But yes, this is the second hairstyle. What y'all think? What y'all think? What y'all think? So you guys see the middle part, and then these little 2 ponytails with the bangs. I'm gonna try one more hairstyle. Hold on just a sec. All right, so here is the third hairstyle. Really cute. I just pinned them up on the side. Very, very soft girl era. I love the hair out of the face. Really, really clean and just simple. Again, this is Nadula's upgraded V-Part wig with the seamless natural U-part. As you can see, it is very flat, you guys. You can style this in multiple ways. It is a very versatile wig. The hair is beautiful. As you can see, I can just rub my hands through it. It is a Yaki straight ombre color that I have. It is absolutely gorgeous. Love, love, love it. Make sure you guys check it out. This is 24 inches if I didn't say that already. I love it. What do you guys think about these hairstyles? Make sure you guys drop a comment in the comment box down below. Let me know what you guys think about it. Thank you again, Nadula, for sending me this wig and sponsoring this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.